Hello students, welcome in our today's English video lecture. How are you students? I hope all of you are fine. Students, from last few lectures we are discussing novel section. We have discussed meaning and definition of novel, primary work of novel in the field of English literature. In the second lecture, second part, we discussed 18th century novelists and their novels. In next lecture, third part, we discussed late 19th and 20th century novelists. In the last, means in the fourth video, we discussed the women novelists and their contribution in literature. Students, today we are going to discuss very important and interesting topic of history of novel, that is Indian scenario. Students, Indian scenario means in this video lecture we will discuss Indian novelists and their works and contribution to the literature. Let us try to understand the word scenario. The word scenario means an outline of the plot of a dramatic or literary work. एखाद्या लेखन प्रकाराची रूपरेषा. इथे आपण भारतीय कादंबरीकार आणि त्यांच्या कादंबऱ्या यांची रूपरेषा आजच्या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये पाहणार आहोत. स्टुडंट्स, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इंडियन नॉव्हेलिस्ट्स, इनिशियली वी मस्ट टॉक अबाउट बंकिमचंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय. स्टुडंट्स, बंकिमचंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय, his novel Rajmohan's Wife was the first novel in English literature written by Indian writer. The novel Rajmohan's Wife was serialized in the Indian field. बंकिमचंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय यांच्या राजमोहन्स वाईफ या कादंबरीवर आधारित एक सिरियलसुद्धा चित्रित झाली. त्या सिरियलचं नाव होतं द इंडियन फील्ड. The period after that is marked by few more novels written by the Indian writers. These novels, they based on either nationalistic virtues or social issues as their main framework. देशभक्ती किंवा सामाजिक समस्या ह्याच्यावरती आधारित बऱ्याचशा कादंबऱ्या लिहिल्या गेल्या आणि तशा प्रकारचे विषय हाताळले गेले. Rajmohan's Wife, this novel was published in the year 1864 and is generally, this writer Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay is generally regarded as the first Indian novel in the English. This novel, Rajmohan's Wife. This is significant not only because its author was the greatest Bengali novelist of the 19th century, but also because it speaks to the emergent genre in the literary or literature of colonial modernity. Now this is one concept, colonial modernity. What is it? See, a colony or a colonial, when British people came in India, they established colonies in India. The people living in colonies suffer their suffering of all these people, all these kind of subjects are depicted in the novel. And so this novel talks about, or the literature is about, the colonial modernity. So here you can see on this slide image of the writer and his novel's front page, Rajmohan's Wife. Now one more famous writer or significant writer from the history of India as a novelist, that is Mulk Raj Anand. He was born on 12th December 1905 and he died in the year 2004. He was an Indian writer in English notable for his depiction of the lives of the poorer castes in traditional Indian society. आपला जो भारतीय समाज, त्याच्या रूढी परंपरा आणि आपल्या भारतीय समाजामध्ये असणारा अत्यंत गरीब वर्ग की जो जातीयवादावरती आधारलेला आहे, अशा प्रकारचे थीम असणाऱ्या, अशा प्रकारचे विषय असणाऱ्या नॉव्हेल्स त्यांनी लिहिल्या. आणि ही इज वन ऑफ द पायोनियर ऑफ इंडो अँग्लियन फिक्शन. Now, what is Indo-Anglian fiction? Indo-Anglian is a term specifically used for Indian English writers. It defines the origin of Indian creative writing in English. The Indian English writers have written, but English is not their mother tongue. All of you know that India or for us, we Indian, English is not our mother tongue. It is foreign language. But still, many writers have written beautiful novels in English. So, these are Anglo-Indian fiction or writers. He became known for his protest novel Untouchable, which was written in the year 1935, published in the year 1935. And one more novel which became very famous and which is very beautiful, that is Coolie. Another novel written by Mulk Raj Anand is Two Leaves and a Bud, which was published in the year 1937. So Mulk Raj Anand, as I said, is very famous for his writing for the people, those who are very poor and those who suffered a lot due to casteism or the social those people who suffered due to the classification of society. One more writer which is very a significant personality in the field of novel, Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. So he is known by his name R.K. Narayan. Now he born in the year 1906 and he died in the year 2001. He was an Indian writer known for his work set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. Now all of you know very well what is Malgudi days and Malgudi, because in our course book we have our lesson Astrologers Day, which we already have discussed. The lesson Astrologers Day, it is taken from the book novel written by R.K. Narayan, Malgudi Days. So he was a leading author of early Indian literature in English along with Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao. हे सगळे त्याच काळी गाजलेले किंवा त्याच काळी त्यांनी खूप साऱ्या कादंबऱ्या लिहिलेले सगळे लेखक, मुल्क राज आनंद किंवा राजाराव किंवा आता हे R.K. नारायण ह्यांच्या ज्या नॉव्हेल्स लिहिल्या त्या सगळ्या अतिशय उच्च प्रतीच्या लिखाण असणाऱ्या आणि वेगळे विषय हाताळलेल्या कादंबऱ्या. सो दिस वॉज अबाउट R.K. नारायण. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट रायटर नॉवेलिस्ट श्री K. Raja Rao. He was born on 8th November 1908 and he died in the year 2006. He was an Indian writer of English language, novels and short stories whose work are deeply rooted in metaphysics. Now this term is new for you. What is metaphysics? Metaphysics is a branch of philosophy which examines the fundamental nature of reality. एक शाखा आहे तत्त्वज्ञानाची, तत्त्वज्ञान विषयक सांगणारी. याच्यामध्ये काय असतं तर मानवाचं अस्तित्व, त्याची रियालिटी, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टींशी संबंधित असणारं लेखन. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज मेटाफिजिक्स. सो इन हिज नॉवेल्स वी कॅन सी द टर्म और द आयडियोलॉजी मेटाफिजिक्स. कांतापुरा अँड द सर्पंट अँड द रोप आर हिज फेमस नॉवेल्स. अगेन कांतापुरा अँड द रोप, The Serpent and the Rope. These two novels are very famous and they are also they talk about the same theme as we discussed, the social issues, we can say. Here you can on this slide see the writer Raja Rao and his novel The Serpent and the Rope. Another Indian writer, novelist, one of the famous novelists, that is Anita Desai. Anita Desai Muzumdar. She is a critically lauded 20th century writer and her novels on the experiences and inner lives of Indian men and women are known for their compassion, eloquence, and lucid prose. Now, students, अनिता देसाई ह्या ज्या लेखिका आहेत, ह्यांचं लिखाण जे आहे ते बऱ्यापैकी समाजामध्ये असणारी समाजव्यवस्था, त्याचबरोबर आपल्याकडे असणारी पुरुषप्रधान संस्कृती, पुरुष आणि स्त्रियांमधले संबंध किंवा त्यांचं समाजामधलं स्थान, अशा प्रकारच्या थीम असणाऱ्या कादंबऱ्या यांनी लिहिल्या. आणि त्यांच्या कादंबऱ्यामध्ये मुख्यत्वे करून कंपॅशन दया किंवा कणव म्हणूयात, पिटी, मर्सी, किंवा मग इलोक्यन्स तिचं भाषेचं प्रभुत्व किंवा तो एक ओघवतेपणा आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतो. त्याचबरोबर तिचं जे लिखाण आहे, ह्या लेखिका आहेत अनिता देसाई, त्यांचं लेखन जे आहे ते अतिशय ल्युसिड म्हणजे स्पष्ट आणि त्यातून लगेच उल्लेख होईल, बोध होईल अशा प्रकारचं लेखन त्यांनी केलेलं आहे. हर फर्स्ट नॉव्हेल वॉज क्राय द पिकॉक. हर अदर नॉव्हेल्स इन्क्लूड व्हॉइसेस इन द सिटी, बाय बाय, ब्लॅकबर्ड, वेअर शॅल वी गो दिस समर, फायर ऑन द माउंटेन, clear light of day, in custody, etc. So all these are her famous novels, and she has written such a huge kind of literature. She has contributed in the literature. Now another writer, before going to discuss another writer, let us have a look. This is the writer Anita Desai and her novels front pages. Let us talk about one more Indian writer, Nayantara Sehgal. Nayantara Sehgal is an Indian writer who writes in English. She is a member of Nehru Gandhi family, the second of 3 daughters born to Jawaharlal Nehru's sister, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. She was awarded the 1986 Sahitya Akademi Award for her इंग्लिश नॉवेल रिच लाईक अस. नयनतारा सहगल ह्या ज्या लेखिका आहेत त्यांनी जी कादंबरी लिहिली रिच लाईक अस, त्या कादंबरीला 1986 सालीचा साहित्य अकादमीचा पुरस्कार मिळाला. सो दॅट नॉवेल वॉज रिअली व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल. हर अनदर नॉवेल्स नोटेबल वर्क्स आर वेन द मून शाइन्स बाय डे, डे ऑफ रेकनिंग स्टोरीज, Plans for Departure, The Day in Shadow, Prison and Chocolate Cake. All these are written by Nayantara Sehgal. Here is the image. First one is the writer Nayantara Sehgal and other are her books, front pages. Now let us talk about Arun Joshi. Arun Joshi was an Indian writer. He is known for his novels The Strange Case of Billy Biswas and another novel The Apprentice. He won the Sahitya Akademi Award for his novel The Last Labyrinth in 1982. His novels have characters who are urban, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग अँड डिस्टर्ब्ड फॉर सम रिझन. यांनी अरुण जोशी जे आहेत यांनी एका विशिष्ट प्रकारचं लेखन केलं आहे. त्यांच्या नॉव्हेल्समध्ये, त्यांच्या कादंबऱ्यामध्ये बऱ्यापैकी जे पात्र आहेत ते शहरी भागातले आहेत आणि ते सगळे पात्र बऱ्यापैकी इंग्रजी बोलणारे, त्याचबरोबर काही ना काही समस्या असल्यामुळे डिस्टर्ब्ड असणारे, अशा प्रकारचे कॅरेक्टर्स त्यांनी त्यांच्या नॉव्हेल्समध्ये मांडलेले आहेत. And he in his novels he talked about the urban areas and their problems. Manohar Malgaonkar was an Indian author of both fiction and non-fiction in the English language. He was also an army officer, a big game hunter, a civil servant, a mine owner and a farmer. These are some his important works. His major works include, as I said, The Man Who Killed Gandhi, Bend in the Ganges, Spy in Amber, Comb at the Shadows, Comb at Off Shadows, The Garland Keepers, The Sea Hawk, Shalimar, The Princess, Cactus Country, etc. So all these are the novels written by the writer Manohar Malgaonkar. Here you can see the writer Malgaonkar and his front pages of his books. One more writer, Indian writer, Amitav Ghosh. He was born. He is born on 1956, and he is an Indian writer and the winner of the 54th Jananpith Award, best known for his work in English fiction. अतिशय आगळा पुरस्कार, पण जो अतिशय महत्त्वाचा असा पुरस्कार त्यांना मिळाला आहे अमिताभ घोष यांना. अँड ॲज आय सेड ही इज इंडियन रायटर. नाऊ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट हिज नोटेबल वर्क्स. त्यांनी कुठले महत्त्वपूर्ण लेखन केले, कादंबऱ्या लिहिल्यात, लेट अस डिस्कस. द शॅडो लाईन्स, द ग्लास पॅलेस, सी ऑफ पॉपीज, रिव्हर ऑफ स्मोक, द हंग्री टाईड. सो number of novels written by Amitav Ghosh. His notable awards are Jananpith Award, Sahitya Akademi Award, Anand Puraskar, David Prize, Padma Shri. आपल्याकडे मानाचा मानला जाणारा पद्मश्री अवॉर्ड सुद्धा यांना मिळालेला आहे. Now let us discuss about, let us observe the images, the writer and his novels front pages, Amitav Ghosh and his other novels. Now let us talk about one more writer, that is Vikram Seth. Now Vikram Seth is an Indian novelist and he is poet also. He has written several novels and poetry books. He has received several awards such as Padma Shri, Sahitya Akademi Award, प्रवासी भारतीय सन्मान. हे सगळे अवॉर्ड्स त्यांना मिळालेले आहेत. त्याचबरोबर त्यांनी जशा काही नॉवेल्स लिहिल्यात तसंच त्यांनी काही कवितेची पुस्तकं पण लिहिलेली आहेत. हिज नोटेबल वर्क्स, फेमस नॉवेल्स बाय विक्रम सेठ, दे आर सुटेबल बॉय, द गोल्डन गेट अँड इक्वल म्युझिक. दीज आर सम ऑफ द नॉवेल्स रिटन बाय the writer. Here image Vikram Seth and his books. Upamanyu Chatterjee, one more Indian English writer, novelist. He is born in the year 1959 at Patna, Bihar. He is one of the new talented Indian writers of the contemporary generation. After studying English literature at Delhi University, he joined the Indian Administrative Service in 1983. In 1990, Chatterjee has written a handful of short stories including The Assassination of Indira Gandhi, his best-selling novel, English, August, an Indian Story, subsequently made into the major film, was published in the year 1988 and has since been reprinted several times. जरी हे लेखक असले तरी त्यांचा मूळचा पिंड किंवा त्यांनी त्यांच्या करिअरची सुरुवात मात्र इंडियन ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह सर्व्हिसमधून 1983 साली केली आणि त्यांनी त्यांच्या लेखन कार्याला सुरुवात मात्र शॉर्ट स्टोरी लिहिण्यापासून केली. त्यानंतर त्यांनी काही नॉवेल्स लिहिल्या आणि त्यांची जी खूप गाजलेली, नावाजलेली, विकली गेलेली जी नॉव्हेल आहे इंग्रजीमधली ती आहे ऑगस्ट अन इंडियन स्टोरी. मग ह्या नॉव्हेलवरती आधारित मूवीज पण आहेत. सो दॅट काइंड ऑफ फेम दॅट नॉव्हेल अँड दिस रायटर रिसिव्ड ऑर गॉट. यू कॅन सी द इमेज, रायटर अँड हिज नॉव्हेल्स. वन मोर इंडियन रायटर हू इज novelist, Arvind Adiga. Now Arvind Adiga is an Indo-Australian writer and journalist. Indo-Australian means his origin is India and now maybe then he shifted to Australia. So Indo-Australian writer and journalist. By profession, he is actually journalist. His debut novel, The White Tiger, won the 2008 Man Booker Prize. 2008मध्ये त्यांना त्यांच्या नॉव्हेलसाठी द व्हाईट टायगर नावाच्या नॉव्हेलसाठी मॅन बुकर प्राईज दिला गेला किंवा मिळाला. नाउ वन मोर लेडी फिमेल वुमेन रायटर नॉव्हेलिस्ट सुझाना अरुंधती रॉय. Arundhati Roy, we know her by her name Arundhati Roy. She is an Indian author best known for her novel The God of Small Things. हे नाव तुम्ही ऐकलं असेल बिकॉज दिस इज व्हेरी फेमस नॉवेल द गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स which won the Man Booker Prize for fiction in the year 1997 and became the best-selling book by non-expatriate Indian author. She is also a political activist involved in human rights and environmental causes. So, as a versatile kind of personality, writer as well as environmentalist, and she is also political activist. So अरुंधती रॉयची ही जी नॉवेल आहे गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग, सो इट इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी फेमस अँड that novel got the prize also, Man Booker Prize. Now let us talk about the another writer, one more writer, woman writer, novelist, Kiran Desai. Kiran Desai is an Indian author, Indian writer. Her novel, The Inheritance of Loss, won the 2006 Man Booker Prize and the National Book Critics Circle Fiction Award. In January 2015, the Economic Times, India's leading business publication, listed her as one of the 20 most influential global Indian women. 2015मध्ये द इकॉनॉमिक टाइम्स एक आपल्याकडे असणारा एक आघाडीचं पब्लिकेशन, त्यांनी भारतामधल्या सर्वोच्च 20 महिला की ज्या खूप कार्यरत आहेत आणि प्रभावशाली आहेत आणि त्या इंडियासाठी काम करत आहेत, लेखन करत आहेत, अशा रायटर्सची यादी काढली होती, अशा लोकांची. त्याच्यामध्ये किरण देसाई वॉज ऑल्सो इन्क्लुडेड. सो दॅट काइंड ऑफ वर्सटाईल पर्सनॅलिटी अँड having a hard-working personality we have in our literature as a novelist. Now let us talk about one more writer, Kiran Nagarkar. Kiran Nagarkar was an Indian novelist, playwright and screenwriter, a noted drama and film critic in Indian media. Nagarkar was one of the most significant writers of post-colonial India. पोस्ट कॉलोनियल इंडिया, आपल्याकडे ब्रिटिश येऊन गेल्यानंतर ज्या कॉलनीज वसाहती निर्माण झाल्या त्यानंतरचा जो काळ आहे त्याला म्हणायचं पोस्ट कॉलोनियल इंडिया. सो ही हॅज रिटन मेनी नॉवेल्स फ्रॉम विच सम आर गिवन. इन द इयर 1994 रावण अँड एडी, दिस नॉवेल वॉज पब्लिश्ड. Cuckold, it was published in the year 1997. God's Little Soldier, The Extras, Rest in Peace, Jasuda, a novel. So these are the novels written by Kiran Nagarkar. So he is also one of the leading personality in the category novel. Here you can see the image of the writer and his novels. Students, here we have tried to go through the Indian novelists and their novels. We have quickly gone through the information. I hope you might have understood. You please, if possible, try to write down notes in your notebook by watching the PPT and this video. So have a nice day. Thank you.